Imagine a warrior so powerful that even kings trembled at the sound of his name. A sage so disciplined that the gods themselves bowed to his penance. And a man so devoted to justice that he wiped out an entire warrior class not once but 21 times. This is the incredible tale of Lord Parshuram, the sixth avatar of Vishnu, the eternal protector of Dharma. Born in the age of Treta Yuga, to sage Jamdagni and the pure-hearted Renuka, he was no ordinary child. They named him Parshuram, Ram with the axe. This axe, a gift from Lord Shiva himself, symbolized justice delivered with divine fury. Though a Brahman by birth, he was a Kshatriya by purpose, destined to fight, but only for what is right. One day, overcome by suspicion, Sage Jamdagni asked his son to do the unthinkable, to kill his own mother. And Parshuram, obey. It wasn't blind cruelty. It was complete surrender to duty, a disturbing story, yes, but one that reflects the ancient idea of absolute discipline. Pleased, Jamdagni restored Renuka to life. But the pain had already carved itself into the soul of Parshuram. Then came Kartavirya Arjuna, a king with 1,000 arms and one rotten heart. He stole Kamadhenu, the sacred cow of the sages. And when Jamdagni protested, he was killed. That moment changed everything. Parshuram's grief turned to rage. Divine, righteous rage. And with that rage, he swept across the land, defeating kings, tyrants, and armies. Not once, not twice, but 21 times, he erased the corrupted Kshatriyas from the earth. He wasn't just taking revenge. He was restoring balance. He was restoring Dharma. But Parshuram's role didn't end in bloodshed. In the Ramayana, he tested Lord Rama's strength after he broke Lord Shiva's bow, only to discover that Rama was Vishnu's other face. In the Mahabharata, he trained legends Bhishma, Dronacharya, and Karna. But when Karna lied about his identity, Parshuram cursed him. Because to Parshuram, honesty was more powerful than even the strongest weapon. And now, they say he still walks this earth. Parshuram is one of the Chiranjeevis, the immortals of Hindu tradition, living in meditation in the snowy silence of the Himalayas. Did you know? In Western India, people believe Parshuram created the Konkan coast by throwing his axe into the sea. Geologists credit it to tectonic shifts, but legends give us stories that science cannot replace. Parshuram teaches us that justice must be fearless, that knowledge must lead to action, and that strength must serve something greater than ego. In a world full of noise, be like Parshuram, watchful, patient, and always ready to rise when Dharma calls.